Hi everyone, welcome to HM&S video number 6, and you are most welcome for it. There are more than 1 billion Excel users and they use Microsoft Excel every day. But about 90% of those Excel users, at the beginning when they were starting to use Microsoft Excel, they encountered what we are going to see today as a nightmare. When you open Microsoft Excel, when you type a number in Excel starting with 0, let's say 080, and you hit enter, automatically Excel doesn't show the leading 0 by default. It only shows the number. If when you click on that cell and you see the formula bar, you can even see that what is sitting in that cell is actually 80, not 080. The same applies to phone numbers. If you come here and you type 0781 blah 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 and you hit enter, automatically the leading 0 will not be shown. And if you click on the cell again, you will see that that leading 0 is not actually sitting in that cell. So that one is actually a nightmare because there are situations where you might need that leading 0, most especially when it comes to phone numbers. That beginning 0 is always very important. And by the way, even if you go there in Excel and you type the country code, like for example plus 256 781 blah 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 blah, and then you hit enter, automatically the beginning plus is also not shown. That's maybe if you want to type the phone number using the country code. So today we have this video that's going to help us to solve that problem. I'm going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 different methods how you can solve that problem and have your leading zeros when you type a number in Microsoft Excel. Let's switch on to it and we find out how best we can put that leading 0 in our Excel workbook. So we have this small table here which is showing the head of departments. This is like a human resource data showing the head of the department. We have the names, the department where those people are coming from, and we are supposed to type the phone numbers here. So let's start from the first column and we see how best we can put our phone numbers in Microsoft Excel worksheet, and then we keep that leading 0. Let's start. I'm going to use 0781 blah 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 blah. I hope it doesn't rhyme with someone's phone number there because I'm just putting any random figure there. You can see you have that 0, but once you hit enter, automatically Excel doesn't show that 0. When you click on the cell once again, you can see that the leading 0 is not kept there. So I'm going to delete this and we redo it. I'm going to type 0781 000 000. But guess what? Before I enter it, I'm going to put my cursor at the beginning and then I type the leading apostrophe before the 0. As you can see, this is what we call the leading apostrophe. Now when you put that leading apostrophe there and then you hit enter, Excel shows that 0. First of all, we can see that the number is aligned to the left. As you can remember from our introductory video to Microsoft Excel, anything that is aligned to the left is seen by Excel as text. So Excel is seeing this number as text. Also, you can see that there is this green triangle at the top left hand corner of your cell. When you click on the cell, you can see that triangle. You can easily come and click on this arrow. Then you have all these options here. You can convert it back to a number because at the beginning you can see it's saying number stored as text. So you can convert it back to number. You can click here to find more information about that error, also to get some help about that error. Once the number is stored in Excel as text, that one is an error. Or you can easily come and click on ignore errors. We have all these other options here, but for now, I'm going to click on ignore errors, and that green triangle will go away. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this cell, and then when I go to the fill handle, I see my crosshair, I'm going to copy this formula down. I know it's going to increment by 1. I have all those green triangles, but you can highlight all the cells, and then you come to this button, you ignore all the errors at once. So that one is the first method. When you click on the cell also, and then you see the formula bar, you can see the apostrophe is there. Let's scroll down and we see the second method. You can see that when you click on a cell like this, by default the number formatting is general. Now what we are going to do here, we are going to pre-format our cell as text, then we type when Excel already know that what we are typing is text, so it will automatically show us that leading 0. So I'm going to click on cell D10 and then come to this drop down arrow. If I click on this drop down arrow, it will open for me the format cell dialog box. I'm going to hit escape to remove that dialog box. Also, when I come here and then I right click, I can also come to format cell, then I get the same dialog box. Again, I'm going to click escape. The keyboard shortcut to get to the format cell dialog box is Control 1. So when you click on Control 1, you can easily come and give it a text number formatting, then you click OK. So once you already given it a text number formatting, you can even see from here it's text. So you can easily come here and then you type 0781000000, and then when you hit enter, automatically Excel will save that and show for you the leading 0, but still it will keep that number as text. You still need to go back to this arrow, then you ignore error to remove that green triangle. You can also do it to a number of cells. For example, if already you know that in all the cells in this column you're going to put the phone numbers, you can easily highlight all of them, then you Control 1 and you give it a text formatting. Click OK, so that each and every time now you just type your things 000001, enter. 0781000002, enter. Excel will always keep that one there. Highlight, come to this button, ignore errors. Let's scroll down. Now the third method is similar to the second method, but this time around we're not formatting our cells as text. We're using what is called the custom number formatting. If I click on this cell, Control 1 to open my format cell dialog box, I can come to custom number formatting. Now this is now the real power of number formatting in Microsoft Excel, because you can do anything with it. So in the general, you can highlight it and then you type anything you want as long as you know number formatting you want. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to type 10 zeros here, and those 10 zeros is showing Excel that in this cell I need 10 figures. Excel will automatically keep the leading 0, because that leading 0 will make your number to be 10. So let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then you click OK. Now when you type in this cell now 0781 123 123, and then you hit enter, you can notice something here. Let's first scroll up a bit. Here our numbers were stored at the left hand side of the cell, meaning they were stored as text. But when you use custom number formatting, Excel keeps your number as numbers, but still it will still show you that 0. Now assuming you add one more figure here, let's say 0, and then you click enter, Excel will now remove the first 0 and keep for you the remaining 10 figures. When you, for example, add one more 0 or any number, you add the 0 and then you hit enter, you can see this time around Excel will now start showing for you 11 figures, because it knows that from 7 going to the right, all those figures are important, they are significant figures. So I'm going to double click, come here and remove 2 zeros, click OK. You can as well do it to multiple cells of many cells. You can highlight these many cells, you Control 1, you come to custom number formatting. In the general, you type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then you click OK. So anytime you type any number, any phone number there, it will always automatically store it with all the 10 digits plus the leading 0. 0781 000 001, enter. 0781 000 002, enter. So it will always keep storing it with all the 10 digits, showing you the leading zeros. For example, if you want to put your phone number plus the country code, how can you do it? Let's see. When you click on this cell and then you type, for example, let's say plus 256 781 000 000, and then you hit enter. When you click on it and you see from the formula bar, you can see that Excel is not showing the plus, but you want it to show the plus 256, which is the country code for Uganda. So how can you do that? I'm going to delete this. You can easily highlight your cells. You go to Control 1 and then you come to custom number formatting, and then in the general you type your plus 256 and then you put 0 for the numbers, so that 10 will represent the numbers. Then the plus 256 will be the country code. When you click OK, you can easily come and type 0781 000 000 and then you hit enter. Excel will automatically show for you the plus 256. Remember, when you put the plus 256 in the custom number formatting, you no longer put it when you are typing in Microsoft Excel. You simply come and type your 0781 000 001, enter. Now what if you just simply type 781 000 000 and you hit enter? Still, Excel will show you the plus 256 at the beginning. Now let's see if I Control 1 and instead of plus 256 000 I come and do plus 256 space and then 0 to represent the numbers. Then I click OK. Let's see what happened. 0781 000 000. When you hit enter, automatically Excel will show for you the country code. Leave that space you have left when you were doing custom number formatting, then it will put for you the numbers. You can see how powerful is custom number formatting in Microsoft Excel. Now let's see one more example. If you click on this cell, you highlight it, then you do Control 1, you click on custom number formatting, you come to general, type there plus 256 space, then I'm going to put there 9 zeros, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Remember, we have put that space there. Click OK. Then you come to your cell, you type 0781 000 000, hit enter. Excel will also show for you the plus 256 plus the space 9 figures. Let's see one more. 0781 000 001, enter. When it comes to custom number formatting, you can do anything. Let me also show you this one. When you click Control 1, go back to custom number formatting. I'm going to put the country code in bracket. Then you click OK. Come here. 0781 000 000, enter. It will always show for you whatever you put in the custom number formatting. Control 1, format cell dialog box, custom number formatting. Come to the general, you put there plus 256 dash 000 dash 000 dash 000. Then you click OK. Let's see what that brings. 0781 000 000, enter. Exactly what you have given Excel in the custom number formatting, that's what Excel will show it for you. So that is actually the power of custom number formatting in Microsoft Excel. In one of the videos, we might just talk about custom number formatting because there are actually a lot you can do with custom number formatting. When it comes to text, numbers, dates, times, you can do a lot with custom number formatting and you see wonders. And by the way, any number, not only the dates, any number you put in Excel, you can use the trick we have used to keep the leading zeros before the numbers in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until next video, HM&S video number 7, and then we meet again. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share this video with your friends so that they can also get to know all these tricks. Thank you very much.